For our transfer applicants, once you have completed most of the academic history quadrant, your last tile will be the general education tile. This is where you will indicate how you are meeting your Golden 4 coursework requirements. Some of them might autofill. You'll see here that I put in an AP test score that automatically pulled through for my written composition requirement. If it doesn't, you have to select from the drop-down menu of all the courses that you have entered. So I will go through and find the course that I took for oral communication, and then for critical thinking, and then for my math concepts. If you don't have one of the courses or one of those is not required for your major, there are a few engineering majors who don't require critical thinking. You can select this opt-out button, but for most applicants, having all of the Golden 4 is required. Please note that if you're using an AP exam to meet one of the Golden 4 requirements, that you do so by way of entering in the test score itself in the standardized test section. Don't enter in the course that that school gave you credit for by way of your exam score. If you didn't actually take the class, we don't want the class entered. So you want to do either a course that you have taken and have a grade for, or your AP exam score or IB or CLEP. We don't want a class that you got credit for that you didn't actually take. If you have any questions about using test scores for your Golden 4 or how to fill out the section, please contact our campus directly. We're happy to help. Once you're done, hit save and continue and move on to the next quadrant.